We are live.
Okay.
What's going on, Mr. Moyo here?
Okay, we're working here on this Honda Fit.
Honda Fit, yes.
GE6.
Yes.
You see, we're working with this Honda Fit. The central lock is not working here.
Yes.
If you operate this door central lock switch, only the driver switch is responding. But when you put the ignition on here,
yes,
then you operate the central lock switch, can respond. You can see the passenger
yes.
Switch there is responding. Then the ignition switch is now on. You
Yes.
see. Then the radio here is not working. If you
the
switch
is not
on,
responding.
if you switch on your radio, it's not working. So now we have what we have done now. There is this cable here behind here. It's supposed to have a battery. This pink one. The pink one. I don't know if you can see it. Yes. This one. This one. It must have a battery positive. So we have fed this wire with the live positive. Then the radio managed to switch on. Then this the switches have managed also to operate. So now I want to trace this wire and see where is the source of this wire. Then we'll show you the next video after we have managed to locate the wire. Thank you. Cheers. Wait for another video. We are with Pawanga here and Mandla. Yes, Mandla. With Pawanga.
That's me.
Doing very well here. Thanks. Cheers. Wait for another video, guys.